How about you? I'm Hank from Hamiltonville Farm. Today I need your help. There's a holly tree that we have on the south end of our property that we're going to try to salvage. It got blowed over during the storm. Blowed over? Blew over? Blown over? Depending on what part of the country you're from, right? So it fell during the storm, and so we don't know if we're going to transplant it or try to just put it back up to where it's at. So I want you to watch this video, and because I'm going to ask questions throughout the video. I have no idea how to solve this problem, so I need your guys' help. Come go with me. We don't really bring you guys down to this part of the property much. We're still cleaning it up. I have done a couple of videos of bush hogging around this general area for deer season. I want you to notice behind me we've got this holly tree that's been blowed over, and so I'll get up close to this here in a minute. But my question is, do you think I should transplant it? Do you think I should try to pick it up and transplant it to a different location, or do you think I should try to salvage it where it's at, stand it up straight, and then try to secure it that way? I don't know anything about trees. I don't know anything about transplanting trees. So this is where I need you to make comments below. Okay? This is the root ball here. I think I can use my EA, my Everything Attachments landscape rake, to come and clean this part up and then kind of redig this hole. I think I can redig this hole. If you look at this tree, it's a holly tree, and it's resting on another tree over there. But if you look at the leaves of this holly tree, they're all still alive. So we think that we can actually salvage the tree. So look at these leaves here. So, there's nothing wrong with the tree as far as it being dead or alive. So I'm thinking, look at this branch here. So follow this branch down, and it's got some, little other branch. But look, all the leaves still look good. What's pretty impressive about this holly tree laying on its side is, like I mentioned earlier, it blew over during Hurricane Michael. That's almost 1 year ago. All right, Hurricane Michael came through in October. This is late September. Mid to late September that we're making this video. So it's pretty impressive that this thing is still even alive, looking at how it's fell over there. So it's hanging on, but I think we can make it work. I've got the EA landscape rake that I think will work, and I've got a 40 horsepower tractor with it. And so it's resting. You can see here that this tree is broke. So this tree goes up and break, and the holly tree is resting on that, and then it's also resting in that. You can see that V formation there. It's resting in the crook of that tree, and so I think that I can take a chainsaw and kind of nip away at that to help me put the tree back upright. Remember earlier in the video I talked about make sure you watch the whole thing because I needed your opinion on some things. Well, I also wanted to make sure that you watch the whole thing because we give stuff away at random points in our videos to viewers and subscribers who make engaging comments and things like that in our videos. We appreciate that, and the least I can do is kind of give back as my way of saying thanks for supporting the channel. And so AJ, I really appreciate you making the comments that you make. They're always well thought out. And so we do this in random videos at random times during videos. And so what we're going to do is we're going to send a gunk magnet for your toolbox or your man cave fridge or something, and some gunk degreasing wipes. I want to send you this as my way of saying thanks for watching the channel and supporting the channel. Make sure you always tell your friends about us, share our videos, because the more people we can get in subscribing and the more people that we can get in watching, the more stuff we can give away here at Hamiltonville Farm. All right, let's get back to the video. If I have any arborists or any tree people out there, not tree huggers, tree people. We can hug trees, I guess. If I have any arborists out there or people that deal in tree maintenance, please let me know, because we're really, I think that I want to just stand it up straight. But if the better option is to transplant it to another location and see, to me, in my simple mind, I just think that will shock the system of the tree. I don't know, maybe that's not a player at all, maybe I'm way off base there, so let me know in the comments. But listen, we're going to have another video of me bringing the tractor down here, me bringing the EA landscape down here, EA landscape rake down here, and a bucket, maybe a grapple. I haven't decided. You tell me again, do I need a bucket or a grapple to kind of clean this up with? Maybe I'm leaning toward a grapple now that I talk this thing through. But I really think that with your help, we can save this tree. And so, you know, I'm really looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say, or reading what you guys have to say, and getting this holly tree saved, because it's a beautiful tree. But listen, I know this was a short video, but I appreciate you watching. Be on the lookout for the next video that's coming up. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and ring that little notification bell. That will notify you when we put out videos. We do about 2 to 3, sometimes 4 a week, but normally we're on a 2 to 3 schedule, so we're not going to bombard you with notifications, but we would like some help with this particular project from the viewers there like you. So thanks a lot. I appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next video.